Ka video ko apni batang ya kalama gari India kala sapriang ke social media rangkat kejing tho hakikon katgum ko video bakani kejing le kadai kejing persya ya kejing le dan bor ban le jubor sokar pedeng bat kum kejing dawa ban pentri kam ya ke inalain parliament ha kejala megalia ka video kala pa Facebook agano phai singi jong si palai bat lakam bakani kejing thang ya kalama gari India lathang kanong ba silong rai omsem lakadau pat ya kajaka ne kadong habakran bar kilar thai ko bor umetirong ba ukondar ke sangma ulong ba tangmari yo jingtep ulapu new director general of police ban kentu yu ban ujor sumuto halokani ulong ru ba kan omdon kejing aa penlap ik pedon keti.
While the meeting was going on, I was updated by the DG and our Home Minister. He is not here, but he sent me a message and a phone call. We have been discussing this while the meeting was going on also, so I could not get a complete report on it. In fact, I've just come out and I'm speaking to you directly. But I got a brief report on the phone about the incident. Definitely, this is unacceptable totally, and the government will not let this go easily. The Sumoto case has been filed, and technology is very much there to find out who the people are, and whatever needs to be done, we will ensure it's done to make sure that people who have disrespected the flag of this country will not be let go so easily.